Alright guys, here we got a Ford 8N I just bought at an auction on the first day of the year. It's now the second. Got it this morning back home. Started tearing it apart. The story was that the guy had a whole bunch of work done to it. He had brand new clutch put in it, the engine gone through. First time he used it, hooked the chain up to the top link, which is about flipping. So pretty dinged up. I'm gonna see what I can do. Alright guys, here we go. Got a Ford 8N here. I got a post that I put on a little bit earlier. It was on a 4000 with a 8N like this sitting in the barn. In fact, this was the same one. And took both of them to fair, to our county fair. Some of the best looking tractors that we actually had at the time. So that really helped. Everything on this sucker works. It is for sale. Any questions? You can usually get a hold of me by commenting or subscribing. Cute little tractor, constantly running, constantly wanting to work. I've had pretty good luck with it. It is for sale, $3,500. So, thanks again.